that one. That's going direct to Guangzhou. Look on flight radar, I've just looked at it. The time it's still out, yeah. It's going direct to Guangzhou.
Doesn't surprise me though. Sometimes they go via Frankfurt. Not always, but sometimes. RJ's a 321.
She is.
I like Royal Jordanian. I do like Royal Jordanian, Dad.
She's nice. She's very nice.
You know one thing, Dad, regarding that 321P2F, I don't know whether or not they're going on the mountain or staying here.
We'll see, you don't know where it's going to go, mate.
I know, exactly. November 847. Okay, Dad.
Yeah?
I don't know if it's kind of close or not, but Miss Antonov has just had a flight update.
Yeah.
She's an hour and 43 minutes away from Stansted.
She?
Yeah, the AM12 is coming in at 5:50.
Oh Christ, it's a bit late for us then.
What?
A bit late for us.
But no, Dad.
What?
I'm going to say this now. To be honest, we're waiting for DHL. Why don't we get a rarity?
Because I'd like to get home sometime today.
And then we can go home after.
It's 10 to 6 then. I'm not going to 4:47. And I've got an hour and a half before I go to bed.
Okay, maybe. That's fair. Dad. That's fair.
Sorry, otherwise we would have done. If I was off tomorrow, we would stay.
Yeah.
Because I'd like to see it.
But because you work.
Yeah,
Again,
work fucks everything up.
Everything up.
Exactly, always does then, always does.
I like the fact that you go to work and pay the bills and that, but it does screw with certain things, doesn't it?
Yeah, but you know, you have to go to work, otherwise we wouldn't be doing what we're doing.